Hi, it's Donna Robertson.
And John Nossel.
And Fran Morgan with Fabric Café.
We are not here today.
We're actually on our way back from the Mid-Atlantic Quilt Festival. We had just such a great time there, getting to meet many of you, and we really just ready to get back to work now.
We missed you too.
And no worries, we have a great show lined up for you today. Every once in a while we make a little boo-boo here and there. It's called Bloopers. And we have some fun ones for you today.
You're gonna enjoy it.
Don't worry, our regular video schedule will be back on Thursday. So be sure and tune in on Thursday as well.
See you then. We can have a rehearsal if you want.
Well, let's just go charge into it.
Kids in today's blah, blah.
You can do it, John.
I can do it.
Kids Instituteser, take one.
Now, Madeline.
Who's Madeline?
It's not me.
La Madeline.
I don't know why I did that.
How does it feel?
It hurts. But
Oh, it hurts. Oh.
Hey, quilters, we have a special guest today. Santa himself has come to visit our show. Hey, let's do it again. Is that Robert in the doorway?
Yes, it is.
Please let Robert know that he now must address his wife as Her Majesty. Do you remember in the very beginning when we started Fabric Cafe and we would go shopping?
Lower.
Donna H, let us meet me on the Instagram.
So be sure to tune in and check it out.
Oh, good.
Blah, 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 blah.
I got tears in my eyes when we used to go shopping. So this is made with, what is this made with? Not art.
Is this indicative of our personalities? You wrote the letter, you wrote the name, and I wrote the
This one is called, Fran, do you know what time it is?
It's Super Bowl time. Oh, do you know what that means?
I felt so on top of it today. It's going to tell you what size block you use. Can we run it back?
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah, he said you all, so I was going, putting this show together, and you can always, you're supposed to stop.
Keep watching. Oh, I wasn't supposed to say that.
No, that's okay.
Darn it.
This will be some great blooper reels.
Is that too corny?